Hi, and welcome to In the Can. And today I'm going to be making biscuits. So in the food processor I have 2.5 cups of flour. I'm adding a teaspoon of salt. And this recipe calls for a whopping 2 tablespoons of baking powder. So I'm going to pulse this to get the baking powder distributed. I guess it would help if I plugged it in. And now I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of butter. And we're going to bring this together. Okay, and now I'm adding a cup of milk. This recipe calls for buttermilk, which I didn't have, so I added some vinegar to some regular milk, which curdles it, and my grandmother used to do that all the time when she did buttermilk. And we're going to bring this together as a dough. Okay, I've got my dough. Now I need to get out a sheet of parchment paper. The dough is very sticky, so I want to flour the parchment paper and flour my hands. And I'm going to pull the dough out. Flour the dough and start pressing it out. Once I have it pressed out, I'm going to fold in halfway, or nearly halfway, and fold in the other side and press it out. Fold in about a third, fold the other side in, flip it and press it out. Fold in a third and the other third and press it out. Fold in a third and the other third and press it out. This time I want it to be pressed out to where it's about a 3/4 of an inch thick. Then I don't have a biscuit cutter, so I'll be using a glass to cut my biscuits. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Oops. Now there's a mess I have to clean up. And we're going to take the excess dough, put it all together, flatten it out. Cut out more biscuits. Mush the excess dough together. Flatten it out. And then what remains, we're just going to smush together and turn it into one biscuit. So I got 12 biscuits out of this. One's not going to be real pretty, but it'll be all right. Then I'm going to take these and put them into a 425 degree preheated oven and bake for 10 to 15 minutes. And I'll be back. Okay, I'm back with my nice big fluffy plate of biscuits. We're gonna crack one of these open. Ooh, they're still hot. Put a little butter on it. And give it a try. Nice, crunchy outside. Oh. The bottom of the biscuit has a bit of crunchiness to it, but the top of the biscuit is nice and soft and it's fluffy and it tastes very good. So hopefully you enjoyed this recipe. You'll give it a like and please subscribe, and I'll see you again later. Hi and welcome to In the Can. Today I'm going to be making some turkey gravy with turkey in it to put over biscuits. So in the pot, you can use chicken stock or turkey stock. I'm using chicken stock. In the pot I have got about 2 cups of chicken stock, and I'm going to bring it up to a boil. And it's pretty much there. And so I'm going to add flour to the pot, 1 tablespoon at a time. And I should probably whisk this in. Try to get rid of the lumps, although lumpy gravy's not bad. Okay, add a 2nd tablespoon. And a 3rd tablespoon. And that's thickening up nice. So I've got about 2 cups of shredded turkey that's left over from Thanksgiving. Add that. Now I want a couple of biscuits. And I'm going to add a little butter to the biscuit. And there you have it. Very frugal, simple biscuits and turkey with gravy. Give it a little taste. And it's quite good. I added about a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of black pepper to the gravy for seasoning. I don't cook with salt because my doctor has me on restricted salt. If you want to add a little bit of salt to it, you can. But hopefully you enjoyed this recipe, and you'll give it a like and you'll subscribe. And I will see you again next time. Bye.